Welcome back to the channel. Today, we take you inside the snake meat factory to see the full process.
Snakes are transported under controlled conditions to reduce stress. Proper handling at arrival affects the entire process.
In specialized regions, snake farming supports a growing meat industry. This is where the process begins, long before processing starts. Live snakes arrive in bulk and are immediately transferred to holding areas. Speed and control are essential at this stage. Each batch is briefly checked upon arrival. Movement and condition are closely observed.
Snakes are sorted and held temporarily before processing. Size and condition determine the next steps.
Specialized tools are used for safe handling. Direct contact is avoided to reduce risk.
Sorting ensures uniform processing later. Consistency begins at this early stage.
Initial cleaning removes surface contaminants. This prepares them for controlled processing.
Individual alignment allows for safer handling. It also prepares them for the next stage.
The facility separates holding from processing areas. Hygiene and workflow must remain controlled.
Constant cleaning prevents contamination buildup. The environment is continuously maintained.
Flow rate is carefully adjusted in real time. Balance ensures smooth operation.
Entry into the processing zone is tightly controlled. Only prepared batches move forward.
This is where transformation will begin. And this is only the beginning of the process.
Movement toward processing is gradual and controlled. Each step is designed to maintain order.
The first stage of processing begins as live snakes are prepared for snake meat production. Careful handling ensures safety and quality.
Initial cleaning removes impurities from the snake's skin. This step is essential for safe snake meat preparation.
Sorting ensures uniformity in snake meat cuts. Size determines which processing line they follow.
Water jets clean every snake thoroughly. Proper rinsing is critical for hygiene before meat processing.
Each snake is inspected during rinsing to ensure surface cleanliness. Preparation is vital before transformation into snake meat.
Gentle heating begins to relax the snake's structure. This makes subsequent handling easier for snake meat production.
Snakes are now ready for the initial processing line. Each piece will undergo careful preparation for meat extraction.
Restraint systems ensure controlled processing. Safety and efficiency are prioritized in snake meat production.
Initial cuts define segments for skin removal. This step is essential in preparing raw snake meat. Skin is removed to expose clean snake meat. Controlled cutting ensures minimal waste and maintains quality.
A second rinse eliminates residue from skinning. Cleanliness is crucial before further processing of snake meat.
Manual trimming ensures only high-quality snake meat continues. Precision preserves both yield and safety.
Controlled heat reduces microbial risk. This step prepares snake meat for further refinement.
Tenderizing ensures uniform texture in the final snake meat product. Controlled motion prevents damage to flesh. Visual inspection confirms proper tenderizing. Only adequately processed meat moves forward.
Human oversight complements automated systems. Continuous monitoring safeguards quality in snake meat processing.
The core manufacturing stage begins as prepared snakes enter heavy-duty machinery. Transformation into usable snake meat starts here. Segments are carefully positioned for accurate processing. Precision ensures uniform snake meat pieces. Automated slicing produces uniform pieces for downstream processing. Speed and accuracy are essential for quality snake meat.
Skin and flesh are separated efficiently. Proper technique preserves both yield and hygiene.
Segmentation into different lines optimizes processing efficiency. Each line performs specialized tasks.
Secondary cleaning removes residual impurities. Attention to detail preserves final quality. Gentle heat treatment improves safety. Each segment of snake meat receives uniform exposure. Robotics handle larger pieces to maintain structural integrity. Automation complements human oversight.
Cutting defines the final size and shape of snake meat pieces. Precision here ensures uniformity for packaging later.
Moisture control prepares meat for the next processing phase. Balanced conditions preserve texture and shelf life. Tenderized and cut segments now display consistent texture. Preparation is nearly complete for refinement.
Inspection ensures only properly processed meat continues. Quality control is continuous throughout production.
Core manufacturing is complete. The snake meat is ready for detailed refinement in the next stage.
Human oversight complements automation. Only properly prepared snake meat continues forward. Precision refinement begins as snake meat enters the controlled environment. Every piece is carefully adjusted for quality.
High-resolution scanning ensures uniformity. Every snake meat piece is measured against precise standards. Trimming eliminates minor defects. Only clean, properly shaped snake meat proceeds. Workflows are divided to optimize precision. Each lane handles specific refinement tasks. Robotics handle delicate adjustments without damaging flesh. Automation ensures consistency in every batch. Flow is carefully coordinated for smooth processing. Synchronization prevents bottlenecks in refinement.
Micro-cutting ensures perfectly shaped pieces. Refinement is meticulous to maintain uniform quality.
Sorting prepares snake meat for detailed inspection. Quality is verified before packaging preparation.
Physical checks confirm the texture is consistent. Tenderness and firmness are carefully evaluated.
Precision tools verify exact dimensions. Only uniform pieces move forward in production. Human and robotic collaboration ensures consistent refinement. Every piece is scrutinized for perfection. Final touches enhance texture and appearance. Pieces are now ready for inspection and quality assurance.
Refined pieces are staged for quality control. Precision ensures readiness for the next stage. Imperfections are isolated without halting production. Only properly refined snake meat continues forward.
Snake meat now enters the final inspection stage. Every piece must meet strict quality standards before packaging.
Surface inspection guarantees consistency. Even minor defects are flagged for removal.
Weight consistency is verified for uniform portions. Accurate measurement ensures reliability in packaging.
Defective snake meat is removed without disrupting production. Only compliant segments continue forward.
Visual checks ensure no detail is overlooked. Human expertise complements automated inspection.
Moisture content is carefully monitored. Proper hydration preserves texture and shelf life.
Final human oversight ensures uniformity. Every piece of snake meat meets the highest standards.
Proper labeling ensures traceability and accountability. Every batch is recorded for quality assurance.
Finished segments are staged systematically. Organization facilitates smooth transition to packaging. Automated alignment ensures efficiency and consistency. Precision prepares the snake meat for final packaging. Snake meat has passed inspection and is ready for completion. The process now transitions to final packaging and distribution. Cooling stabilizes sealed packaging. Consistent temperature prevents spoilage and preserves texture. Accurate labeling allows traceability and quality tracking. Each batch is recorded for accountability.
Final automated checks confirm packaging accuracy. Only verified snake meat proceeds to shipment.
Boxes are sealed tightly to protect the product. Proper packaging ensures safety during transit. Palletizing prepares products for large-scale distribution. Stability is essential for safe delivery.
Finished snake meat is transported to temperature-controlled storage. Careful handling preserves quality. Temperature-controlled storage maintains freshness. Conditions are continuously monitored.
The final step is distribution. Snake meat is now ready to reach markets safely.
Each shipment is documented for accountability. Traceability ensures safety across the supply chain.
From live animals to packaged, ready-to-market product.
From careful handling to controlled processing and precise packaging, the journey concludes. Every piece of snake meat